Hello guys, welcome to Tracy's Cooking. Today I will be making a delicious chickpeas salad. So for this chickpea salad, here I have 1 cup of finely diced tomato, about a large tomato, and over here I have about half a cup of sweet pepper. You can use green or you can use the red. And over here I have about 1 cup of finely chopped spinach. Yes. And here for the chickpeas, I have about 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. Now you can use the one from the can, or you can cook your own chickpeas. This chickpeas I cook for about 2 hours. You can cook it for about an hour or an hour and a half with about 2 chicken bouillon to give it flavor, or whatever bouillon you preferred. Just add enough water to cover and cook it on medium low, or you can leave it in your slow cooker to cook until it's tender. So here for our dressing, I have this delicious looking avocado dressing. And for this dressing, I have here, what I add to the dressing is 1/4 of a medium size onion, and this is a small amount of pepper. Well, if you don't like pepper, you don't have to use, or if you really love pepper, you can add more. This is just enough pepper to give it a lightly taste. So here I have also 1 stick of small celery and 2 garlic cloves. You can add 1, you don't need to use 2. And this is about half a teaspoon of allspice with about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice with about half or 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. It's just enough olive oil to get that NutriBullet moving, to get the paste, get this nice creamy look of this avocado dressing. Also, for your avocado dressing, you're going to need about 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Depends on your tasty for salt. So we're going to start by adding our tomatoes, the green peppers. All my vegetable is washed clean. You want to make sure you wash your vegetable. That's my spinach. And then I'm going to add the dressing. This is about a cup. We're going to start off with this and see if we need more. Everything is going to mix right through. So this is how this is just a simple chickpeas salad. Very healthy. Chickpeas is high in protein and fiber, with vitamins and minerals, and all these lovely colorful vegetable. You know you're having something healthy. And I know everybody is trying to eat a little healthier. We don't want to always eat junky food, or some of us are trying to avoid the junk food. We want to eat healthy. So look at these guys. Look at these guys. Nice texture. Yeah. So this is the finished look of my chickpea salad. Remember, you can, if you don't like spinach, you can always use kale, cilantro, or parsley. Anyone is fine. So guys, enjoy this tasty looking chickpea salad. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more of my upload. And comment, let me know how did yours came out. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.